Synthetic oils are not created equal. They come in various formulations, each tailored to specific needs and driving conditions. Understanding these differences is key to choosing the optimal oil for your vehicle. Full synthetic oils, the gold standard, are entirely engineered from base oils and additives, offering superior performance. Then we have synthetic blend oils, a mix of synthetic and conventional oils. These offer a balance of performance and affordability. When choosing, consider your car's age, drive-in style, and climate. High-performance vehicles, or those frequently driven in extreme conditions, benefit most from full synthetics. Look for oil that meets your car manufacturer's specifications. Pay attention to viscosity grades, like 5W30 or 10W40. These numbers indicate the oil's thickness and how well it flows at different temperatures. Choosing the correct viscosity ensures optimal engine lubrication and protection. Don't forget about certifications. Look for oils that meet industry standards, such as API, American Petroleum Institute, or ILSEX, International Lubricants Standardization and Approval Committee. These certifications guarantee the oil's quality and performance capabilities. Driving conditions in 2024 are more demanding than ever. Extreme temperatures, stop-and-go traffic, and long commutes put immense stress on our engines. That's why it's crucial to choose an oil engineered for all-weather performance. The ideal oil should flow readily in cold temperatures, ensuring quick engine starts and lubrication during those crucial first minutes. Simultaneously, it needs to maintain its viscosity and protect against wear, even when the engine heats up during long drives or summer scorchers. Look for an oil that boasts excellent thermal stability and oxidation resistance. This means it can withstand high temperatures without breaking down or forming sludge, ensuring consistent performance and engine protection. Remember, choosing the right oil is an investment. Castrol Edge stands out as a top contender in the synthetic oil arena. Engineered with fluid titanium technology, it's designed to transform under pressure, physically changing its structure to provide a protective layer that's up to 10 times stronger against metal-to-metal contact. Whether you're navigating scorching deserts or facing freezing winters, Castrol Edge's all-weather performance ensures your engine stays protected and performs at its best. This advanced technology isn't just a marketing gimmick. It's proven to deliver exceptional results. Castrol Edge excels in independent testing, demonstrating superior wear protection, reduced friction, and enhanced fuel economy. Choosing Castrol Edge means choosing confidence. Confidence knowing your engine has the ultimate protection, no matter the challenge. Let me know in the comments if you agree with Castrol Edge. Please like the video and subscribe to our channel for more educational and product review videos.